willpower will run out, but willful nature never dies out. The goal is that in order for you to push in the direction of your life, willpower eventually dies out. It's this feeling of constant reminders and using your discipline and your willpower, etc., in order to make something possible. But willful nature is from your spirit, and your spirit, when you have aligned purpose, when you understand what your purpose is, there's a willful nature within you that will help you flow into the direction of your dreams. So it's no longer just depending on your willpower, because there are days that you won't be able to push through.